Newton's laws, and in this video we'll be looking at Newton's law 1. Newton's law 1 states that an object at rest remains at rest, or if in motion, remains in motion at a constant velocity unless acted on by a net external force. This is an example, the coin and the glass. The coin initially remained at rest on the carton. According to Newton's first law, and because of the coin's inertia, it remains in its condition of rest. The force exerted on the carton is not transferred quickly enough to the coin to have it accelerate with the carton. When the carton is suddenly shot from on top of the glass, the coin falls into the glass, like you have seen in the video. This is another type of example where this is the illustration. This is just the wall that it is attached to. This is the top string, this is the weight, and this is the bottom string. The bottom piece of string is pulled quickly downwards, so this is pulled quickly downwards. The bottom string snaps. According to Newton's first law and the inertia of the weight, it wants to remain in its position of rest. There is not enough time to overcome the inertia of the weight, thus the bottom string experiences a greater force than the top string. Now, the bottom piece of string is pulled down slowly. The top string snaps. According to Newton's first law and the inertia of the weight, there is enough time to overcome the inertia of the weight. The top string now experiences the same force as the bottom string, thus it breaks. I want you to think of this as a real-life example. Let's say there's a loose thread at the end of your shirt, and you want to pull it out. To do this, if you pull it out slowly, the rest of the thread wants to follow through, because there is enough time to overcome the inertia of the thread. However, if you do it quickly, just the loose thread is the one that snaps. That's how I want you to remember this example.
Up or slow down. Because of inertia, your body will want to stay moving.
This is another example that you have just witnessed, which is the moving car. If the car suddenly stops, your body will want to continue in the direction of motion. Like you saw in the video, the body went forward. According to Newton's first law and your body's own inertia, your body wants to keep moving forwards. As the car accelerates, your body accelerates with it, and you feel the seat pushing against your back. When the car and you reach a constant velocity, you no longer feel the seat pushing back against you. This is the last example that you have just witnessed, which is the tablecloth. The cutlery has inertia when an unbalanced force is applied on the table, meaning the man pulling the tablecloth. The cutlery tends to remain in state of rest when the tablecloth moves, because the cutlery doesn't have enough time to overcome the inertia.